Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to do a new topic place value and face value. In the beginning of this chapter, we have already learned what is place value. So let us quickly revise what is place value. Children, you have to watch this video carefully to understand what is place value and what is face value. So children, we have revised that place value is the value. Suppose take example of 605. So 6 is on hundreds place, 0 is on tens place, 5 is on ones place. So 6 is on hundreds place, that means we have 600. So we will multiply it by 100. So answer will be your 600. 0, we have 0 tens, we don't have any tens, so the answer is 0. We have 5 ones, that means 5. And the face value is the number itself, irrespective of where it comes in place value chart. This means that if the number is on hundreds place, so the face value of this number will be the number itself. The number will be 3. The place value for 4, that is on tens place, will be 4 itself. The face value of 6 that comes in one's place is 6 itself. So children, now let's do our 1.3 exercise. So here you can see that the first question is write the place value of 4 in 34,521. Okay. So your question is write the place value. And your first question is place value of 4. Place value of 4 in place value of 4 in 34,521. So children, again we are going to, for this we can do it as 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. So 1 is on ones place. We will write 1 once. We have to write the place value of 4. So we can see that 4 is on thousands place. We can see that 4 is on thousands place. So the place value of 4 is 4. We have 4,000. So we will multiply it 4 into 1,000. That will be 4,000. So the place value of 4,000 is the place value of 4 is 4,000. This is in figure. If the question asks that write the place value of 4 in figure and in words, how will you write it? In figure, you will write it as 4,000, and in words, you will write it as 4,000 like this. Okay, children, let's take the another example. We are doing 1.3. This is your exercise 1.3. Your next question is, let's take another example, another question. Write the place value of 8 in 8,000. Sorry, number is 83,409. So you have to write the place value of 8. Let's see on which place it is. It is on 10,000 place. So children, 8 is on 10,000 place. Your answer will be 8 into 10,000. So your answer is 80,000. This is in figure. This answer is in figure. If you asked to write in words, so you will write it as 80,000. Okay, children, let's do our next question. Our next question is, write the place value of two fours in this number. This is the number. You have 3, 4, 5, 4, 1. So we have 2, 4. Here we have 2, 4. So we have to write the place value of this numbers. How we are going to write it? First we will write for the place value tens. So the place value for 4 which is on tens place will be, that means we have 4 tens. इसका मतलब है कि हमारे पास कितने 4 हैं? We have 10 4. So the answer will be 40. And for this 4, this is on thousands place. We will, that means we have, how many thousand we have? We have 4,000. So we will write it as 4,000. So the place value of 2 fours, इसका मतलब है हमारे पास 2 4 हैं. In this number we have 2 4. Yes children, we can say it that we have 1 4 on thousands place and we have 1 4 on tens place. So we have to write, हमें दोनों 4 की place value लिखना है. तो जो फर्स्ट 4 है जो टेंस प्लेस पे है उसका प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 40. Because we have, how many 10 we have? We have 4 10. That means 4 into 10. We will multiply it by 10. And on thousands place, we have again 4. So we will do it like this. 4. That means how many thousand we have? We have 4,000. So the answer is 4,000. So children, your today's homework is you have to complete question number. Your homework is you have to complete question 1 to 9 homework. This is your homework. Thank you, class.